Growing up in Jamaica, we always have pigtail with stew peas and rice. But this dish, this barbecue pig's tail is the best because it is so good. You'll enjoy it with your family. It's much different from the stew peas. This is more delicious than this pigtail that you put in stew peas. It is so good. It is a very delicious dish. You're gonna enjoy it with your family and with your friends. It is very good. You can carry it, go to potluck. You can carry it, go anywhere. It's a very delicious dish. Blessings to everyone. Today we are making honey glazed barbecue pigtail. Here are the ingredients we need. We need jerk seasoning, complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, ground black pepper, salt. We need salt because the pigtail is not salt pigtail. It's not pickled. It's just fresh pigtail. We need ginger and we need allspice. So this is a tablespoon of jerk seasoning. It's not jerk pigtail, but it gives it a lot of flavor. And this is a tablespoon of complete seasoning. Tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. Half teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon salt. Salt to taste. The all-purpose season have salt, so you don't have to put a lot of salt in it. And this is ginger. And this is some pimento. So I season up the tail so you can get some flavor while it's cooking. The flavor by seasoning it before you cook it. So it's gonna cook for an hour and 15 minutes. Gonna pour some water, cover it with some scallion and onion and garlic and everything. I'll just show you. To the pigtail, you add your Scotch bonnet pepper, half a Scotch bonnet pepper, 1 large onion, garlic, ginger, and scallion, and 3 scallion. So we're gonna add all this to the pot, and we're gonna cover the pigtail with water and let it stay and boil for, just cover it with just water, just make sure it covers. So all this is gonna boil for an hour and a half before we put it in the oven. Cover with boiling water and let it boil until it's tender. Now that it's almost cooked, we are gonna glaze it and put it in the oven for 15 minutes. So we're gonna glaze it with barbecue sauce, Baby Ray sweet and spicy, and just Baby Ray original regular sauce, and honey. So I'm gonna make the barbecue sauce and honey mixture here. 1/4 cup brown sugar. And just mix it. Remove each piece from the pot and put it in to glaze. Just glaze it with the barbecue sauce, with the honey barbecue sauce, and place it in the There you have it, family, your honey glazed barbecue pigtail. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. and hit that notification bell for all my upcoming videos. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.